Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome back to Leafy Life. If you're new here and love all things green, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our latest plant care tips and tricks. Today we're talking about 5 low-maintenance indoor plants that not only thrive with minimal care, but also come with some amazing benefits. Let's dive in. First up, we have the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria. This plant is practically indestructible. It can handle low light, doesn't need much water, and as a bonus, it's great at filtering toxins from the air, making your home a healthier place. Next, meet the Pothos, or Epipremnum aureum. This beauty is known for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves. It's super adaptable, thriving in both low and bright light, and it's also fantastic at removing common indoor pollutants like formaldehyde. Perfect for freshening up any room. Now, let's talk about the peace lily, or Spathiphyllum. This plant adds a touch of elegance with its glossy leaves and stunning white flowers. Plus, it's a natural air purifier that can help reduce mold spores in the air, making it a must-have for improving indoor air quality. The ZZ plant, or Zamioculcas zamiifolia, is another low-maintenance superstar. Its thick, waxy leaves store water, so it's incredibly drought-tolerant. And here's a fun fact, it's known to be one of the best plants for beginners because it's so forgiving, even if you forget to water it. Finally, we have the spider plant, or Chlorophytum comosum. With its arching leaves and cute little plantlets, it's a classic favorite. It's super easygoing, loves indirect light, and it's great at absorbing carbon monoxide, another reason why it's such a popular choice for homes. So there you have it, 5 low-maintenance indoor plants that are perfect for adding some green to your space with minimal effort. Plus, they all offer fantastic benefits that can improve your indoor environment. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share with fellow plant lovers, and of course, subscribe for more green goodness. Until next time, happy planting.